Hello everyone. Today we are going to be going over the grammatical concept of similes. Similes use the words like or as to make comparisons. They compare two things or two ideas. If you look at our example above, you can see that the word like is used to compare tea and heaven. Why are similes used? They are used to make descriptions more vivid and emphatic, which means they put more emphasis on the descriptions being used. Similes spark the reader's imagination while getting the information across, and creates descriptive images in writing. So as you can see in our example to the right, the word like is used again to compare wallet to an onion. This says, my wallet is like an onion. When I open it, it makes me cry. We can see that this simile allows for the reader to make a vivid image in their head when they read it. It's almost like you can vividly see someone opening their wallet and physically crying because they see that it's empty. Just like when you cut an onion open and you open it, it might make you physically cry. It just makes the description of this just more vivid, and the reader gets a mental picture in their head. We're now going to use our mentor text that we've been reading in class, and it's Wonder by R.J. Palacio. I hope that I'm pronouncing that correctly. If not, I'm sorry. The first example that we're going to look at is, so sending him off to middle school like a lamb to the slaughter. We see that the word like is used again to compare middle school, or Augie being sent to middle school, to a lamb being sent to the slaughterhouse. This simile creates a very vivid mental picture to the reader when they read this simile, which is an example of why similes are used to create very vivid images in the reader's head. The next example that we're going to see is, but after she died, I held on to that secret and let it cover me like a blanket. This also creates a vivid image, and we see that the word like is yet used again to compare holding on to a secret to that of someone being covered with a blanket. And we can actually also see a vivid image in our head when we read this. It's someone's holding on to this secret and it's covering them like a blanket. She's holding it on tight. She's letting it seep down into her and keep her warm. Now let's practice and do our own similes. I want you all to think of two things or ideas and write them down. And I give examples. Playing outside with my friends and riding a roller coaster. I then want you to combine these two things or ideas using the words like or as, creating a simile. I also give an example of how I combined my ideas. Playing outside with my friends is as fun as riding a roller coaster. Remember, you want to create a vivid image in your reader's head. And this allows, again, for the descriptions to be more vivid. Please pause the video and come up with 3 simile examples of your own. This means that you'll come up with a total of 6 things or ideas, which will combine to make a total of 3 similes. You are welcome to follow the format that I've given to you above. Please pause the video now. All right, if you're back, that means that you now have your own simile examples. Please bring these examples to class so that I know that you participated in our video, and I hope that you now understand the grammatical concept of similes, and I look forward to reading your examples tomorrow in class. Bye! Hope everyone has a good day.